Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Candy Perler Fairy. So I hope my video will find you in good spirits because we're in a happy holiday season and welcoming a new year 2024. And so since we just passed the Christmas, if you did celebrate that, I'm wishing everyone had a wonderful Christmas or a happy Hanukkah or just happy holiday, and welcoming a fantastic new year ahead of us. All right, so I know we have a lot of goals coming next year. Personally, I do have a lot of goals, and I look back in 2023. Let's have a little chat because I haven't been here for a little while. If you notice, if you've been following me for a while, for the last few months, I've been focusing on finishing my first certificate and my software development certificate, right? So that I can continue with a higher education. And I have completed that already. So I'm ready to move on, but it was so much work. I was taking 2 classes, a lot of coding and, codings to do, a lot of programs to write. But I got it done and I got all 8, so perfect. So for the past few months, I really didn't really have time to do much design or put up tutorials, videos, but I really miss doing it. The moment that I finished the classes, I'm back on track. I'm designing models. If you're on my Instagram, you know that I've been doing other things. And recently I posted a tutorial to make the poodle. I hope you get a chance to look at it. That was one that I designed it for my coworker. I did it for free, but he also agreed to let me share the pattern and the tutorial. So yeah, so thank you. His poodle is super cute too, so I hope you will make that one as well. So I know we have a lot of goals for next year, but we also have to go back this year and look at how much you have accomplished, because that is so important. I realize that a lot of time we have to-do lists every single day. We have so much things to do every single day, and at the end of the day, we still have a lot of things to do. We keep on adding things to the list, and we feel discouraged because this list will never end, right? So we should always go back and look at how many things that we cross it out, and pat yourself on your shoulder or your back, just to compliment yourself that you have done so much. If nobody have told you today, I want to tell you that you're enough, because you have done so much and you can continue to motivate yourself. If you don't have motivation for the new year, I'm here to motivate you. All right, so make plans, start writing your goals, having a vision for next year, and also look back in this year. Personally, this year I didn't know that, but I look at my pictures, albums, and things that I did. I actually did so much. This year, my biggest dream, I went to the Anime Expo in LA, and this is my first show ever. Dream came true, right? And then, so even though I didn't make it to the Ontario, but I feel really accomplished going to this one because it's so big, and I was able to meet a lot of you guys. And you guys are so nice, Kim, and tell me that you've been following me and love my 3D perlers. So I hope to make it to the next one in LA. So I'm gonna find out in a few weeks, and I will keep you guys posted. If I don't make it, it doesn't matter, because I will have other plans as well. And then I'm looking at my Etsy page, and I have posted a lot of my new patterns and design this year. I totally forgot already, but looking at how many things I've designed, there's a lot. And also I have shared a lot of free patterns, free tutorial in this year that I didn't even realize that when I was picking up all the free pattern and put it in one folder. I was like, oh my god, did a lot. So if you want to go back and look at how many patterns I have shared, go back my Instagram, my Pinterest. I post all my digital pattern, the free one over there. But hopefully you will continue to support me by purchasing my Etsy patterns, and also like my YouTube video and just comment, and share, because the algorithm is so important. I have studied data algorithm and computer science, so I know the traffic and how people act on your social media and things like that will really help an influencer, right? So I really need your help, and make sure if you're new to my channel, you just discover my page or land in my, channel, I'm so happy that you're here. But make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell so you won't miss any content. My goal for next year is to continue to design more patterns and share more tutorial with you guys, so that we can continue making more 3D perler. As always, like today, I'm gonna bring you a new tutorial. This is gonna be the last one for this year 2023, so don't worry, I'm not gonna be ending my creativity, right? I want to thank you, all of you have been following me since from the beginning or in the middle, or whenever you join my YouTube channel or you follow me on other social media. I want to thank you so much, because of all of you other motivation for me to continue with my design and making tutorial video. Sometimes I realize that it's not easy doing it all by one person, because I need to design the pattern, design the model and turn it into a pattern and put it together, and building it and making it a tutorial. It's a lot of work. Sometimes I get discouraged, but whenever you guys post something, like a little comment, like my videos, or just send me a DM, I really appreciate it. I really feel like, oh my god, someone is actually, whatever I'm doing is really helping someone to be creative and making something that they like, because we don't always have to buy everything. We can just create things on our own DIY, and DIY toys for ourselves, or making gifts for others. Handmade gift is so important. I know everyone loves a handmade gift. So yeah, so thank you so much. I hope you guys will continue to support me, support my channels and my social media by just doing all these things, like, comment, share, and sending me DMs. I would love to see that. Before we go into today's tutorial, if you do see something that I haven't posted, like a tutorial or something, feel free to comment down below. I will take a look and I'll see if there's a lot of people that really like a certain video that want to build, and maybe I'll make a tutorial to that. But sneak peek for the next one is going to be just right here, just sitting right here. This one, it's not my design, but I built this long time ago, so I'm going to make a tutorial to make this one, but not today. So stay tuned so we can build this one together. So today's tutorial, if you look at the thumbnail, you already know, right? So that would be this one right here. Yay! Yeah, this is a money corn. So you can turn this into a mini one to turn into a keychain. Or this one would be a great gift. Everyone wants money, right? You want more money and you want to, maybe give it to somebody or just make it for yourself. And it has a secret compartment. I'm going to show you guys. I just opened those connector, and then you can see it's empty inside. So if you want to give something for yourself, or you want to hide something here, you can do that. And then you can put like a little gift or something and just hide in here, and then using the connector to lock in place. It's really tight. So after you put the connector, basically nobody knows, right? So I hope you will make this one. If you do, tag me on Instagram for a special shout out. I'll make more of this because it's very important, to have money and wealth, and also health is very important, right? And yeah, so I hope you will make this one for yourself, put some on on your desk, or make like a little mini one as a keychain, or give it to your friends and family. Everybody loves money, so I think they're gonna love it as well. So all right, let's get started with today's tutorial. Yay! Alright, let's get started with our money corn, and it's super easy to build. As you can see, we have 3 connectors over here, so let's pick up one really quick, and I'm going to start with this piece. So layer pieces like my layout, so it's easier to follow. I'm going to put it right here, and then this one will be the second piece. So the reason to lay out this way is because they look first the same, but you need to make sure that the money sign goes like this, okay? and then we're gonna add this one to the third one, and then now I'm gonna add more connectors right here, and then this one goes in the middle. Pretty easy. All right, so we're gonna do the inner pieces first. So we're gonna add 2 more. So this one is gonna go to the back. Just like so, and then so it should have 1 beads right here to leave it for this one. Also this one right here. All right, so if I'm going too fast, please you know, stop and go slow at your own pace, but I try to go slower. All right, so now we get the inner piece done, so let's add the top piece. Okay, all right, so the first top piece would be this one right here, and it would go this way. Just like so, and then this one will follow right here. Looking good. And then this one goes right here. And last one, you just complete this one on this side. Pretty easy. All right, so now I'm going to add this one to the back. Yay! All right, so let's add these pieces onto the side, right? So the first one, I'm gonna go on this side. So the first one will be this little one right here. I'm gonna insert it right here, just like so. The second one here on the top. And you will wonder, like, how come I don't close it? Because I want to put something inside as a gift, right? And this one, no. And then this will be the next one. I'm going to put it right here. Pretty good. And I'm going to go on this side, which have this, and looks like it's like this. We're almost done here, and then go to the bottom. This one will go like this. Yay, just like so. So as you can see, I told you this one is like a secret compartment. If you want to give it as a gift, you know, for someone that's a new year, I'm going to put $100 here. Or I'm going to hide this $100 and no one knows that I have $100 here. All right, so I'm going to cover it. And it can be a great gift as like a red envelope, right? For Chinese New Year. All right, so we're gonna lock this, right? So this one, well, this one has the yellow, will go on this side. So it's gonna tighten here. You can all just simply remove, and then this one will go on to the other side. I need to make sure that I put this money in here, otherwise I'll forget it. All right, so we're done with the money corn, and I hope this one will bring you extra money for next year, new year, or whoever you know you want to give this to. I'm gonna make a lot of this as a little keychain with mini beads, or you know, just put it on the desk. It's super cute. All right, if you make this one, tag me on Instagram for a special shout out, and then stay tuned as you know what we're gonna make for next week. All right, so see you guys next time. Bye.